Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook username very easily. So I'm just on the app right now. I'm going to go to where the three lines are and select this. Then scroll on down until we get to Settings and Privacy and select this. Then go to where it says Settings. Then choose See More in Account Center. Now, go to your profile and select it where your name is. Then choose your profile. And here is the option for username, profile picture, avatar. So I'm going to choose my name. Then I'm going to change my last name right here. Then I'm going to review the changes. And then go to Save Changes. Now, my name has changed. I added an extra R. Then you can easily change your username. Changing your username will also change your Facebook timeline address. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.